So we're in the airport in Beijing, and as a foreigner, I can't use my face to buy stuff in restaurants or whatever. But at the airport, and it tells me where I need to go. How, and even it's got the arrow. This is so cool. How would I do life without technology? Thank you, Beijing. Okay guys, so sorry, my mic's not working, so I left it so it sounds okay. Anyway, we've been walking around Dalian for 30 minutes about now, and it's looking pretty dead here, which is not good. Not good. And so now we're trying to find somewhere to eat, but everything is closed, like permanently. So hopefully we can find something that's not like McDonald's or Subway or that kind of stuff. Not fast food, yeah. We want a restaurant, some Dalian Thai. So let's see what we find. Okay, so we've been walking around Dalian for a few hours now, and it's nice, but I don't know if it's because we're here during off-peak tourism time or if it's COVID, but the city seems kind of dead. We've been to 2 tourist attractions so far. We went to Zhongshan Square. There's a lot of pigeons there, and we got some good shots and stuff, but then we came out to this little Italy area, which reminded us of Europe, our time in Europe, but it's just like half empty. Like stores are closed, restaurants. We've seen like maybe 100 people since we've been here. So yeah, I don't know. Hey, so much to contribute. Yep. So we're here at the Russian street, where obviously life is bumping. I mean, look at all those people behind us. Yeah.
All those people.
All right, yay for Russia Street. It's just a big shopping area where we assume they're Russian goods. Chia, having the time of your life in Russia town.
Hey. Not
Is
exactly.
that a Russian dance?
I don't know.
Whoa! It's so windy, it's blowing the gimbal out of place. So my plan was to come up here this morning to see the sunrise. This building is closed, so you can't come to the sightseeing tower and go up it at all. But this parking lot's a beautiful spot. Probably just really windy right now, and so I don't know. I'm gonna try to fly my drone anyway. See what happens. Fighting the wind. The wind is blowing hard. Even my gimbal is struggling to keep up with the wind. Jack, the super pilot, man. How's it going, Captain Jack? So I just flew my drone into a tree. About to try to find it. It's over here somewhere.
I don't see it.
I don't either. South would be that way, so I missed that.
Look at this sad boy.
I know. You see my sadness?
Disgusting.
And we found it. Only 30 minutes of searching, and I found my drone. Jack's all the way down there, like a good friend. So let's see if it's okay. It looks okay, right? It looks fine. All right. Let's see what happens. Thank you, Jack, for helping me look, taking time out of your vacation. I'm gonna buy you a coffee right now. Cheers, sir. Thank you for helping me find my drone. He's such a good friend. Orange spice latte. Seasonal. It's delicious. This is the worst concert ever. I want my money back.
Our show ends like right now. Thank you for coming. And I will see you next time.
Jackie cold. Just a little bit. Walking backwards because it's so darn windy here. Look at all that wind. You can't see it, but we can feel it. We can feel it. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? We can feel it. He's hating. He wish he had my beautiful angelic voice.
Whole city.
Whole city what? Like dead?
Yeah. Weird.
Jack left his battery in the hotel room. Guess he gotta use his phone. We're in a good shape. We gotta find one that's shaped like a heart. I think we got skipping rocks.
Yeah.
How do you skip rocks?
Huh?
It's gotta be a boss, that's all. Yeah, skip rocks. That was not how you do it.
No, it's not.
Our DD driver just dropped us off at the wrong location. This is where he should have dropped us off at. So we were down there. We had to like go in the back door route with the painters and all that, but found it. Here it is. Let's go check it out. Where are we? Dinosaur exploring the sea. Archway. It's actually pretty nice. I think I got some epic drone footage, so you'll be checking that out soon. And Jack, how do you feel?
Hey, great. Hey.
Look at me, so cool with the sunglasses on. Look at his cool sunglasses, man. Somebody has a good taste in sunglasses. I'm just saying. I mean, just really good taste in sunglasses. Wow, that whole time I was not recording. Son of a gun. Yeah.
Look at this food, so yummy. Jack's so excited to eat this food. Look at that excitement.
That was inside the thing that he's eating.
This is not easy.
It looks like it.
Okay, that's what I got. Fully fishy.
They didn't want to break. Just put the whole thing there. Tastes like seafood.